Why is hand hygiene so important and what are the benefits? Hand hygiene prevents infection. Estimated global rates of hand washing after using the toilet are only 19%, according to the CDC. Hand washing breaks the chain of infection. You must wash your hands for 10 to 15 seconds to effectively get rid of germs. Some diseases are only killed by washing the germs down the sink, like C. diff, but others, soap actually kills them. Soap is better than hand sanitizer. Hand washing is the single most effective way to prevent the spread of infection. You can spread certain germs just by touching another person. So whenever you cough and sneeze, then you should wash your hands as soon as that happens. You should cough into your elbow rather than your hands. You can spread certain germs just by touching another person. So if you go use the bathroom and don't wash your hands after using the bathroom, and then you go touch somebody or touch a doorknob or touch anything, and then you touch another person, you can spread a germ. Hand washing prevents the spread. You should wash your hands frequently. A lot of people don't use soap. They think it's okay to just go wash your hands with water and not use any soap, but it's not. Hand washing reduces the risk of things like the flu, food poisoning, and health care associated infections. Hands carry lots of germs and should be washed. A long time ago, doctors actually didn't even wash their hands. They would go into patients' rooms and do whatever they needed to do, walk out, go into another patient's room, and never wash their hands. And then they finally figured out that that was spreading diseases and germs, and now people know to wash their hands. Illnesses like the flu and hepatitis can be carried through people. Okay, hand washing helps battle the rise in antibiotic resistance. These are all facts according to the CDC. A single gram of human feces, which is about the weight of a paperclip, can contain 1 trillion germs. Washing your hands prevents diarrhea and certain respiratory infections. Hands carry lots of germs and should be washed. Illnesses like, I already said that. Hand washing helps keep everyone safe and healthy. It only takes 10 to 15 seconds to help prevent you or your family from getting sick. I actually properly learned how to wash my hands whenever I started the CNA program, because before that I didn't even know how to wash my hands correctly. We actually had to do check-offs on hand washing, and there was a lady standing over me with a clipboard, like watching my every move to make sure I was washing my hands correctly. Most people forget about like the backs of their hands. We used a light and looked at our hands, and there's all kinds of germs on your hands even after you wash your hands, if you're not doing it effectively and using soap and doing it 10 to 15 seconds. In conclusion, hand hygiene is the most effective way of preventing pathogen transmissions. You should always wash your hands after using the bathroom. Okay, I'm done.